Amid ongoing situation between Afghanistan and Pakistan, high alert has been sounded here on the line of control in the Jammu and Kashmir because there is apprehension that Pakistan could try to, disturb peace on the line of control in the border areas with India, so that they can divert the attention of the world, and that's why Indian Army, they have sounded high alert over here. You can see that how Indian Army Jawan, they are moving tactically over here on the fenced area to ensure that if anyone they have tried to breach this fence area, they have to be taken care of, and then they can take the action accordingly. You can see that they are well trained army jawans of the Indian Army. They are basically doing patrolling round the clock to ensure that they have to save the nation's border over here. According to information, there are a number of launch pads across the line of control, and Pakistan basically want that terrorists to be infiltrate to this side of the Jammu and Kashmir, and to foil nefarious plan of Pakistan. They are ensuring by doing patrolling over here. This is the same area in Nusheira sector which was in the news because the number of Pakistani positions as well as the Pakistani terror launch pad were decimated by the brave soldier of the Indian Army during Operation Sindoor. Let's speak to the jawans, those who are doing patrolling over here, that what they have to say. किस तरह की यहाँ चौकसी है, किस तरह की तैयारी रहती है?
यहाँ आप एरिया को देख सकते हैं कि बड़ी बड़ी पहाड़ियों से ढका हुआ है, जंगल भी बहुत घना है, और मौसम की बात करूँ तो यहाँ कभी ठंडी होती है, कभी गर्मी होती है, जिसपे कि दुश्मन का यहाँ कभी भी घुसपैठ करना हो सकता है। तो हर इंडियन आर्मी का हर एक जवान तैनात है कि उस घुसपैठ को रोकना है। हम 24 घंटे अपनी फेंसिंग पे ड्यूटी देते हैं और अलर्ट रहते हैं।
यहाँ जो देश के लोग हैं वो इस चीज़ को लेकर चिंता में हैं कि जो पाकिस्तान में हालात हैं, यहाँ फिर घुसपैठ हो सकती है, यहाँ फिर टेंशन हो सकती है, तो उसके लिए देश की सेना कितनी तैयार है और क्या उनको संदेश देंगे?
मैं देश के नागरिकों को यही बताना चाहता हूँ कि कोई टेंशन लेने की जरूरत नहीं है। आप खुश रहिए, आपके आगे देश के इंडियन आर्मी खड़ी है और पूरी तैयारी के साथ इंडियन आर्मी आपकी रक्षा करेगी।
So you can see that they are saying that this is a message to the country that the nation need not to worry because we are here and we are definitely ready to follow any plan of Pakistan, because for last more than 3 decades Pakistan is trying to push in terrorists over here to vitiate peace over here in the Jammu and Kashmir, and after Operation Sindoor there are apprehension that Pakistan once again could try to disturb peace in the Jammu and Kashmir, but our forces definitely they are on the ready mode. With Bunty Digraj, India News X, line of control. It's been 5 months of Operation Sindoor 1.0, and this mortar position remain the same, and these brave soldiers of the Indian Army, they are always on the ready position to ensure that if anything, any command they will get, they have to ensure that Pakistan occupied Kashmir, that area which basically is giving shelter to the terrorists, that has to be taken back. Yes, you can see that how these brave soldiers of the Indian Army, they are taking position, and I will try to show you the ammunition as well. And this position, remains like this for last 5 months, and these are the 81mm mortar shells which was used during the operation. And these brave soldiers of the Indian Army, they have decimated number of Pakistani army positions as well as Pakistani launch pads, which basically was intact for last many months, but during the Operation Sindoor they have decimated the same. Now I will try to show you that how they within a fraction of a second they can load this mortar and definitely fire number of mortar shells. These are the brave soldiers, and I will try to show you that how like the speed of light they can act. You can see that they are setting up the mortars. Listen to the You can see that they are continuously loading the mortar, they are loading the ammunition, and again I will show you, just see that how they are setting up the position, they are setting up the target, and then this is only a drill, but during the Operation Sindoor this was a routine for 4 days, because for 3 to 4 days this mortar position have fired multiple shells to target enemy's position, whether it was terrorists, whether it was Pakistani army bunkers, because Pakistan army was giving shelter to these terrorists, and they basically always help terrorists to infiltrate to this side. And when it comes to Operation Sindoor 2.0, they are once again ready to ensure that that area, which basically is a hub of terrorism for last many months, for many years, they have to definitely ensure that that area has to be properly cleaned. With Bunty Digra, Jajandiyal, News X. It's been 5 months of Operation Sindoor 1.0, and this mortar position remain the same, and these brave soldiers of the Indian Army, they are always on the ready position to ensure that if anything, any command they will get, they have to ensure the that Pakistan occupied Kashmir, that area which basically is giving shelter to the terrorists, that has to be taken back. Yes, you can see that how these brave soldiers of the Indian Army, they are taking position, and I will try to show you the ammunition as well. And this position, remains like this for last 5 months, and these are the 81 mortar shells which was used during the operation. And these brave soldiers of the Indian Army, they have decimated number of Pakistani army positions as well as Pakistani launch pads, which basically was intact for last many months. But during the Operation Sindoor, they have decimated the same. Now I will try to show you that how, they within a friction a second, they can load this mortar and definitely fire number of mortar shells. These are the brave soldiers, and I will try to show you that how, like the speed of light, they can act. You can see that they are setting up the mortars. Listen to that. You can see that they are continuously loading the mortar, they are loading the ammunition, and again I will show you, just see that how they are setting up the position, they are setting up the target, and then this is only a drill, but during the Operation Sindoor, this was a routine for 4 days, because for 3 to 4 days this mortar position have fired multiple shells to target enemy's position, whether it was terrorists, whether it was Pakistani army bunkers, because Pakistan army was giving shelter to these terrorists, and they basically always help terrorists to infiltrate to this side. And when it comes to Operation Sindoor 2.0, they are once again ready to ensure that that area, which basically is a hub of terrorism for last many months, for many years, they have to definitely ensure that that area has to be properly cleaned. With Bunty Digra, Jajandiyal, News X. Right now we are standing with the brave soldier of the Indian Army, and when it comes to the security of the nation, they ensures that their strength and enemy's plan has to be foiled. And just see that when it comes to the security, because this group of Indian Army troops, they are going for the night domination. You can see that how they are fully equipped. Night vision devices has been installed in the weapon, because they have to do the night domination, because there are apprehension that Pakistan could try to push in terrorists over here, especially during the festival season. That could lead to the trouble for the civilians. So that's why they have to be prepared. Let's speak to the Jawan that what they have to say. ये बताइए कि इस वक्त मौका फेस्टिवल का है, किस तरह से तैयारी है, किस तरह से खतरा रहता है और खतरे से कैसे निपटते हैं आप?
पहले तो इंडियन आर्मी हमेशा तैयार रहती है किसी भी खतरे के लिए, जैसे कि पाकिस्तान हमला करता है, हम हमेशा तैयार रहते हैं। और इस बार दिवाली के मौके पर हम पूरी तरह से तैयार है अपने देश को सुरक्षित रखने के लिए।
This is the spirit, because they always believes that they have to foil enemy's plan of disturbing peace over here in the Jammu and Kashmir, and especially there are apprehension that after Operation Sindoor, when number of Pakistani terror launch pads and Pakistan's military installation was targeted by the defense forces, by the brave soldier of the Indian Army, they could try to push in the terrorists once again to the Jammu and Kashmir. They could try to carry out attack on the civilians and the defense forces. So it's their responsibility to ensure the nation borders, nation's LOC, as well as the nation's people remain safe. And that's why they say that we wish the nation happy Diwali, but they need not to worry, because when we are here on the line of control with Bunty Digra, Jajandiyal, News X. I'm holding this Black Hornet. Yes, this is one of our important gadget which is helping the security forces, Indian Army here in the Jammu and Kashmir on the line of control, because we know that there is a threat of terrorists, there is a threat of infiltration, and they have to do patrolling and other domination in areas. This Black Hornet, just see that I think it's only 4 inches long and only 2 inches, width is here, and you can see that this Black Hornet is of more than 1 crore rupees, is helping security forces here in the Jammu and Kashmir. Now I will give it to the man who is operating it and definitely ensuring the security of this area, and how he is operating it, how it is helping the security forces, will try to show you. Just see that in fraction of second that will go up, and after just 70 meter of the height, it will not be visible for anyone. And that is the beauty of this gadget, that it is helping the security forces. Just see that how it goes up, and in fraction of second it can go up to 2 kilometer. And this is the beauty, that it's basically a high definition camera, 6K camera, and that camera basically helps them to see ahead of the area where they are patrolling, they are doing domination, and that is what exactly they are doing. And now I will try to show that what they can do. They can do with it. Just see that this Black Hornet is flying over there, and now they have to show. Just see that this one person is monitoring him. He's the man who basically looks after the Black Hornet's operations, and this basically how this is helping. He's looking into one of a bunker over here in the forward area, and when they are doing patrolling or the area domination, they basically use it. And just see that when patrolling is going on, this Black Hornet is flying over it, and looking ahead of this area. And also I will now try to show you the visual, that how it works. Just see that this is one of a bunker. There are possibility that there are some terrorists hiding inside the bunker, and this Black Hornet, which is basically totally, we can say that there is hardly any sound of this gadget, and it is going in even in the small loopholes, and it can go inside and also see what is happening inside the room. And just see that it moves in, and this is this bunker where they can see that what exactly is happening there. If any terrorist there, then definitely it is going to help these security forces to carry out operations over there. So this is what basically this Black Hornet can do, and this is definitely helping the security forces. Now we'll try to show you that how they retrieve it in a fraction of second, because what happens that when you fly any gadget, drone, that basically can be detected by the enemy, and that can be shot anytime. So because this gadget is so small, no one can see with the open eye in any of the area. And other thing is that is no one can even hear the sound of this Black Hornet. And if they have to operate it, they don't need much of the space, much of the land to to land it or take off. And just see that how they are going to withdraw its operation over here. Just see that man who is operating it, he simply takes it, and this is what exactly they are doing. So this is Black Hornet, a modern gadget, deadly weapon in the hand of the security forces, which is helping security forces to monitor and eye enemies' movement. This is what exactly is giving strength to the forces in the modern time to fight enemy. With Banditi Rajesh and Real News X. Right now we are reporting from the line of control, and we have reached here in one of a temple of Indian Army in a unit, and you could see that this is a time of Diwali festival. So during this festival, you can see that how they are singing bhajan over here, and this bhajan basically give them energy, that gives them definitely a strength as well. You can see that what song is bhajan is singing.
सरस्वती और भीम पुले माता मूर्ति सामणी शेष नेत्र उर्वशी और नंदा देवी बामणी तुय चढ़ोला तुई चढ़ोला फूल पाती तुई चढ़ोला थाल जय बदिर विशाल बोला जय बदिर विशाल जय बदिर विशाल बोला जय बदिर विशाल
They are singing Jai Badri Vishal, Bhola Jai Badri Vishal, and definitely occasion of a festival. And you can see that how they are wearing bulletproof jackets. They are chanting, Jai Badri Vishal, Jai Mahalakshmi, because it's a time of Diwali, and definitely they are offering prayers at the temple with the motive that Mahalakshmi, Lord Shiva, that give them strength as well. We have with us one of a soldier over here. ये बताइए कि ये जो मौका है, ये मौका दिवाली का है, अपने घरों से दूर कैसे पर्व को मनाते हैं और ड्यूटी को भी इंश्योर करते हैं?
हम सर यहाँ पे बड़ा हर्ष और उल्लास से अपना इस त्यौहार को मनाते हैं और भगवान बद्री विशाल से प्रार्थना करते हैं कि जो हमें जिम्मेदारी दे रखी है तो हम उसको अच्छी तरीके से निभाएं। जो हमको देश की रक्षा के लिए दे रखा है उसको हम ठीक ढंग से अपना कर्तव्य का पालन करें। सर
घरों से दूर हैं, घर की याद भी आती होगी कि यही परिवार है?
सर अधिकतर हम लोग हमारा परिवार यही है, माँ बाप सरी ये इधर ही हैं, क्योंकि हम साल में तकरीबन 90 दिन, कभी 90 दिन मिल जाता है, कभी मना ये लगा लो कि सिचुएशन के हिसाब से नहीं जा पाते हैं, पर अधिकतर हमारे कमांडर
देश की सेवा सबसे पहले
है सर, सबसे पहले है।
So you can see they are saying that when it comes to the festival, definitely they celebrate festival with this full energy because they have to ensure the nation's security. They have been given responsibility of this, and these are the brave soldiers, are those who guard the nation, and when it comes to the festival, they celebrate it with this family. Bandini Rajesh India News X.
सिस्टम है वो इस ढंग से काम कर रहा है कि सबको सहूलियत हो और किसी प्रकार की परेशानी का सामना ना करना पड़े।
With every passing moment when dark is coming, definitely there is a more challenges for these Indian Army Jawans deployed over here in the Jammu and Kashmir, and especially on the line of control. We are here in one of a forest area where the Army Jawans, they are doing area domination because they just got this input that there are some terrorists, those who are hiding in this forest area. So how they move tactically, how they ensure that area has to be safe. I will try to show you the visuals over here. Just see that how these Jawans, they are moving tactically and taking their position to ensure that enemy's plan of infiltrating to this side, that has to be decimated. Just see that sounds of the bullets. Firing is continuously going on, and they are ensuring that every plan of enemy has to be foiled. And these are the areas, because it's a thick forest area, and they don't know that where these terrorists are hiding. They don't know how these Pakistani terrorists, they are basically what they're planning to do over here. They can definitely carry out attack on the civilians. They can try to hit out on the defense forces as well. We have seen that in the recent past, number of times they have killed civilians in this area. So their motive is to create panic and create fear among the minds and hearts of the people. But it's only the brave Indian Army soldiers. They always stand tough. They always ensure that if enemy is planning something and trying to disturb peace over here, that has to be decimated. These are the exclusive visuals from the forward areas in the Jammu and Kashmir, because there are number of terrorists, those who are hiding here in the Jammu and Kashmir, and it's for these brave soldiers of the Indian Army, those who are given responsibility of ensuring safety and the security of the people. And especially after the Operation Sindoor, there are apprehension that Pakistan could try to target the civilians and the defense forces to vitiate peace over here in the Jammu and Kashmir. And definitely the responsibility of these Jawans is more during the festive season. With Bandini Raj is India News X. When whole nation is celebrating Diwali, there are people, those who are staying away from their family member, those who are sacrificing their moment to ensure that nation can celebrate it happily. Yes, I'm talking about the Indian Army Jawans, and you can see that we are here in one of our army camp, and you can see that how these brave soldiers of the Indian Army, those who are deployed over here on the line of control, they are basically speaking and doing a video calls over here, because there is no mobile network in these forward areas, and in these forward areas they have to ensure that they have to they have to basically wish the family member happy Diwali. Just see that on his mobile, you can see that they are using their mobile to definitely speak to the family members, wish them happy Diwali, and then they will be also again moving to their duties on the line of control. I will not speak much to him because he is busy with his family. Sir, परिवार से बात हो रही है, कितना जरूरी है देश की सेवा भी और परिवार को यहाँ दूर से ही?
इसमें तो देश सेवा भी सब अच्छा लग रहा है, परिवार के साथ भी मिलके अभी खुशी लग रही है। आपको देख के भी ज्यादा खुशी हो रही है क्योंकि आज फैमिली के साथ आप लोगों ने काफी देर तक बात करवा दी।
देखिए ये है, दिस शोज बेसिकली they get only limited time to speak during the duty hours, and especially army officials over here, they have arranged here a video call system so that they can speak to their family members and wish them on this occasion. Otherwise, most of the time, whenever there is a festival, they stay over here to ensure that border guard not goes down, and they know that enemy Pakistan can do any notorious act over here, so that's why they have to be ready always. With Bandit Rajesh, India News X. It's Diwali, and definitely Deep is very important part of this festival, and that's why Army Jawans, they are lighting Deep over here, and Deepavali, we can say that it's a Deepavali, a Diwali, and when it comes to the celebration, every Indian when celebrating Diwali over at their home, these brave soldiers of the Indian Army, they stayed on the line of control to make it safe, make it sure, and also they are celebrating Diwali with their family member. You can see that how they have lightened these diyas over here in Jammu, and this is to give message to the country. See, the things are definitely well in control in their hand, and definitely they are celebrating this festival as well. क्या कहेंगे दिवाली के मौके पे?
सर बस ज़्यादा कुछ नहीं बोलना चाहूँगा। हमारे लिए ये सबसे बड़ी दिवाली यही है कि हम अपने देश की रक्षा कर रहे हैं, और बाकी सर हमारे वजह से जो भी हमारे बाकी घर में देशवासी हैं वो अच्छे से दिवाली मनाएं, उनके लिए हम यहाँ पे हैं और हमेशा रहेंगे जब तक जान है तब तक अपने देश की रक्षा करते रहेंगे।
क्या बात है, बहुत बहुत शुक्रिया। So you can see they are saying that till they are breathing, they are here, and definitely they'll be ensuring that everything goes normal. And you can see that how they have lit the diyas over here, and let's speak to the other jawans over here what they have to say. आप लोग दिवाली मना रहे हैं, दिए जला रहे हैं, क्या संदेश देना चाहेंगे परिवार वालों को, वो आपको देख रहे हैं? आपको
हम उनको सबसे पहले तो मैं अपनी गढ़वाल यूनिट की तरफ से सभी को राम राम बोलना चाहता हूँ। दूसरी बात, दिवाली के इस महोत्सव पे हम यहाँ पे एक छोटी सी फंक्शन रख रहे हैं। या हमारा यहाँ पे सबसे पहले मंदिर होता है, मंदिर के बाद हम थोड़ा सा यहाँ पे अपना फंक्शन करेंगे, तो हमें भी घर की याद आती है। पर यहाँ पे जो भी हमारे भाई बंद है और जो भी हमारे सीनियर्स हैं या जूनियर्स हैं, तो इनको देख के हमें ये होता है कि हमारे जब सभी बंदे हम यहाँ पे हैं तो हमें कोई फर्क नहीं पड़ता कि
यही परिवार है।
हाँ, यही हमारा परिवार है। हमें कोई इतना फर्क नहीं पड़ता कि दिवाली हम घर में नहीं मना रहे या कोई इतना वो नहीं हो रहा है। बस इसी बात की खुशी है कि घर में हमारे माँ बाप हमें देखेंगे, घर वाले हमें देखेंगे, और इस बात की हमें। घर
में कौन कौन आए, उनको क्या संदेश देंगे?
घर में तो यही संदेश देना चाहता हूँ कि हम यहाँ पे है, LOC में है आज की डेट में, और LOC में हम यहाँ पे हम अपनी देश की और अपने खुद की और खुद के परिवार की हम सही से रक्षा कर रहे हैं। और हम उनको ये बोलेंगे, आप निश्चिंत होकर अपने घर में दिवाली मनाओ, और आप सभी इंडिया वाले पूरे देश को मैं यही बोलना चाहता हूँ कि आप आराम से अपना दिवाली मनाओ। हम लोग यहाँ पे हैं। और
शुक्रिया। तो आप you can see they are clearly saying that they just want to say happy Diwali, and definitely they are saying that we have the responsibility of definitely ensuring the security of the line of control, and we are making it sure that everything goes normal. You celebrate Diwali over there. With Bunty Digra, Ajay Jindal, News X. Without crackers, definitely Diwali cannot be celebrated. And when it comes to Diwali celebration, you can see that how Diwali celebration is going on. You can see that Jawans of Indian Army, they are lighting candles, they are firing crackers, and definitely when it comes to the celebration of Diwali, these things are very important. And you can see that how every Jawan is firing the crackers, and this basically is a festival of happiness. This is a festival of light. So definitely this is very important. Let's speak to the soldiers over here that what they have to say, because from morning to night, every time they celebrate Diwali, they guards the nation's border. But when it comes to the celebration of a festival, they ensure this festival celebration of festival as well. Let's speak to the people over here that what they have to say. कैसा लग रहा है?
बहुत अच्छा लग रहा है आज दिवाली।
दिवाली का मौका है, घरों से दूर तो लगता नहीं कि घर पे होते ज्यादा बढ़िया होता कि ये ज्यादा अच्छा है?
ना, यहाँ ज्यादा अच्छा लगता है।
क्योंकि परिवार तो यही है।
हाँ, परिवार तो यही है यहाँ से।
परिवार को क्या कहेंगे आज?
परिवार को दिवाली की मुबारकबाद और अच्छी दिवाली बनाए। कोई बात नहीं, हम भी अच्छी बन रही है यहाँ पे।
These are the words. Just see that how they are celebrating it when it comes to when it comes to the celebration of festival. They are celebrating it when it comes to guarding the nation's border. They are doing the same as well. This is what basically give a strength to the forces as well as the nation. With Bunty Digra, Ajay Jindal, News X.